welcome to my channel. Here's an update to one of my brother's keeper. Hi, Umamchunu is hurt about everything that Doreen said about Umshengu not loving her. She was the consolatory prize after his sister died. Umshengu actually wanted to marry Doreen, so Umamchunu is living her life. Abuza Umshengu Umamchunu, is it true? Do you love Doreen? I Umshengu couldn't ask Umshengu wena, no, I love you. Where's that little tanda wena? But Umamchunu did not believe him. Wakhala nje waphatha kabi, went to see Khathazile, telling her ukuthi she could just see in Mshengu's eyes ukuthi nje uyamthanda uDorini, and that yena nje she's like just like the nanny kwaShabalala ukhulisa ingane. She gave up everything for Mshengu, and this is how he repays her. And then afice uMamchunu uDonga noNdumiso bakhuluma ngaye, saying how bad it is what she did, nokuthi nje murder is murder, she must face the consequences. Aphathe kabi, calls a meeting with them, tells them ukuthi I'm disappointed ukuthi after I raised you so well, I did my best, tried my best to be a good mother, this is how now you've turned your back on me. And then afike enqubeko kaShabalala abathole abafice behlezi athi as in Mamchunu, enjoy your last dinner, uhlezi esihlalweni, tomorrow you're going to hand yourself in nje, I want you behind bars. Athi emnceya uMshengu ukuthi please don't do that, but inqubeko nje has decided ukuthi uMamchunu must go to prison for what she did to him. And then uMakazi noFakazile baxabane ke, but uMakazi was talking bad about abantu bakaShabalala, saying uFakazile needs to leave them or else nje uzogcina naye eshona. But uFakazile was like, please don't talk bad about my family. Baxabane ke uMakazi agcina uFakazile amxosha uMakazi, but then agcina she managed to apologize before she left, so wahlala ke. And then uThidi talks to Thoba ethi what's going on between you and Didi? Athi Thoba, we are dating, but uDidi is a baby mama kaSibusisiwe, and Sibusisiwe is your cousin, it's not right. Athi hayi Sibusiso no Didi never had that connection anyway, mina naye we've got chemistry, so nje right. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.